Hello, this is Ablas. Welcome back to our digital family. Today, I am excited to introduce you to Vajram Newtown. Vajram Newtown is located in the heart of Bangalore. It's spread across 3 acres. Vajram Newtown offers 272 units, 2 BHK of 2 towers with 18 floors each, ensuring a spacious and vibrant community. As you step into the grand entrance, you will be captivated by the triple height podium landscape and 30 plus amenities that exude elegance. Step inside your dream home and be greeted by Vastu compliant units that create a harmonious and positive living environment. The living and dining areas are thoughtfully placed at the entrance, offering a warm and inviting spaces for you and your loved ones. It features a provision for a chimney exhaust, ensuring that your cooking experience remains pleasant and smoke-free. It understands the importance of relaxation and rejuvenation. That's why each of its 2 bedrooms comes with a balcony adorned with a mosquito mesh. With excellent ventilation and spatial quality, each unit is thoughtfully designed to open on 3 sides, providing a breath of fresh air. The central clubhouse, nestled on the 18th floor between the towers, acts as a hub of connection for residents. Vajram Newtown is all about embracing innovation and premium living. Experience the thrill of a rooftop infinity pool, indulge in the 18th floor sky lawn, and create beautiful memories in the community living spaces. Dual balconies, modern technology, and a pet-friendly environment make Vajram Newtown truly exceptional. But it does not stop there. Vajram Newtown is strategically located near prominent tech parks like 1 kilometer of Bharathiya City, 4 kilometer of Manyata Tech Park, ensuring a seamless commute for professionals. Vajram Newtown is not just a home, it's a lifestyle that revolves around you. Experience the perfect balance of luxury, convenience and connectivity, all within the serenity of North Bengaluru. Hey, I hope you say hello to your forever home at Vajram Newtown. Don't miss this opportunity to embrace your premium living. Book your dream home at Vajram Newtown today and experience a life that's truly extraordinary. Hope you guys gathered a lot of information in this video. See you in my next video. Thank you. Tata. Bye bye.